So what happens if your girlfriend forgets the pill?
Well, obviously then she's potentially at risk of pregnancy.
Okay.
So I think as a couple it's nice not to keep asking her all the time if she's remembered to take her pill, but that she'll maybe share that with you so that you can then access emergency contraception together if you feel that she needs to have that.
And in case of emergency contraception, what options do I have? What do I do?
If you have unprotected sex and you need to access emergency contraception, there are 2 emergency hormonal contraceptive options, one of which is licensed to be used up to 72 hours and the other up to 120 hours, which is 5 days. And also there's the emergency intrauterine device. The copper coil can be used up to 5 days after multiple acts of unprotected sex. And the benefit to using that is that it provides you with ongoing contraception.
Are there like emergency pharmacy sellings for these, like in the middle of the night where a pharmacy is not open? Are there like these places you can go and panicking? Yeah, I really need emergency contraception.
Certainly in the UK you can get it from accident and emergency departments, but I don't know about other countries, and I think it's important that you are aware of where to get it in your own country just in case you have a problem.
Yeah, but does it have any side effects or anything like I have to worry about?
Some women feel a little bit nauseous, have headaches, they may have bleeding which is before they expect their period, or their bleeding may be later than they expect. So if the bleeding doesn't come when expected, it's sensible to take a pregnancy test about 3 weeks after the unprotected sex.
So are they any effective or...?
What, the emergency contraceptive options? The intrauterine device is by far and away the most effective method. It's got about a 1% failure rate, and the hormonal methods have roughly a 5% failure rate, but it depends how soon they're accessed after the unprotected sex.
And how often can I use these options?
Emergency contraception should be infrequently and only obviously in emergency situations.
Can you use it? Can you use it with in 2 different cycles in a row, for example?
You can do that, but you know that would just mean that you are putting yourself at risk of unplanned pregnancy. And certainly, if you need it once, you should consider reliable contraception, but twice just kind of reinforces the message that you need reliable contraception.
I just think about like the pills, about that, you know, that guys, yeah, sure, they might be interested in like if you do take the pill, but
I'm not interested in that.
Well, no, but I just think that it's a problem that often boys just like think you do take the pill anyway, so they don't have to worry. Like, I don't know, maybe you are such a gentleman.
Maybe I am, yeah.
Maybe I have met the wrong guy.